Hey bro, I'm out here in Mumbai and I've come here to meet a really high-end client. Now I can't talk about that, but I was just in my hotel and I was just checking out the content that's there these days in terms of dating, relationships, pickup, social skills. And I was actually mind blown. What the fuck is happening in the internet? People are putting out infields where they're asking for a girl's Instagram.
You have Instagram?
Yes, I have.
Can I get your Instagram? I thought you were cute.
Actually, I'll just give you my Instagram.
And in today's video, I want to talk about why taking a girl's Instagram is probably the worst thing you can do to yourself, you can do to her, and you can do to your mindset. And also, kill all the possibilities of forming a deeper relationship with that particular person. Now, I know this video is gonna make a lot of coaches angry, a lot of guys are gonna get pissed at me, but I gotta give the real shit. Now, a lot of coaches advocating that a girl's Instagram, showing you Instagram closes, they have literally zero to no game. Alright, literally zero to no game. Now, why do I say this with such confidence is because I had an assistant coach back in the day, and I'm sure most of you guys might not know about him, but some of you might. Some of you guys who've been following me from a long time might. Now, I had this assistant coach. We're working together, alright, and we decided that we want to do this research where one guy takes 100 Instagrams and one guy takes 100 numbers. And I was the guy who wanted to go for the numbers and the lays and the pulls and, you know, the direct stuff. And my assistant coach was like, no, I want to try this Instagram thing, you know, this thing that people are advocating. And I was like, cool man, do that. So we took a challenge and we were on tour at that time. So it was like a 24-day tour. Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Pune, I guess. And we did that tour. And then after that, we analyzed the results. He got 100 Instagrams. That was easy. He got 100 Instagrams faster than I got the numbers.
Are you on Instagram? I'll add you up. You're a cool person. Only if you promise not to stalk me, you know. I know you're getting married and all that. And yeah. Are you on Instagram? I'll add you real quick. You seem kind of cool. But only if you promise not to stalk me. Do you promise it?
Okay, fine. I will not stalk you.
No, then there's no point. Of course. You just got to say no. What's the thing?
Then, out of those 100 Instagrams, he texted all of them. There was some conversations. There were some broken conversations. But towards the end, what we realized was he went out on 3 dates. He went out on 3 dates after taking 100 Instagrams. And I think I took like around 40 to 50 numbers at that point in time. And I went out on like 32 dates, 32, 33 dates. So that was, you know, sort of mind-blowing. It was mind-opening that the Instagram funnel doesn't work as people advocate it to work. And there's a reason behind it. We're going to talk about that. But what I want you to understand right now is people who are showing you and advocating taking a girl's Instagram literally have zero to no. Now, another thing I want to tell you is understand if a girl is genuinely interested in you, she will give you the number. She will go home with you. If she can't go home with you, she'll be like, hey, listen, take my number. We'll talk tomorrow. Now, if she's saying, take my Instagram, that means that she's not comfortable. That means there's something wrong in your game, in your social skills, in your approach. That means maybe you're putting too much pressure. Maybe you're being needy. Maybe you are being over enthusiastic. Maybe you're closing too fast. You're not building enough comfort, enough trust. And the biggest thing, maybe she does not feel that you actually have a desire to know her. Maybe she just feels that this guy's just approaching me because he wants to bang or he just wants another number on his list. And he doesn't have that burning desire to know her. Once the girl feels that, oh, this guy has the burning desire to get to know me, she won't go the Instagram route, okay? So you have to be a pickup geek. What that means for you is you have to come back, you have to be a fucking nerd in this shit. You have to do a breakdown. If girls are suggesting you about Instagram, take my Instagram, then there's something wrong in your game, buddy. Alright, so do a breakdown, come back home, do a detailed breakdown. What did I do wrong? Where was I wrong? Was I too fast? All the things I mentioned, keep an eye out for them, please. Now, another thing, the bro thing doesn't leave you high and dry. Alright, you know that shit. So what to do when a girl says, please take my IG, let's connect on Instagram. Now, personally, what I would do is, I would tell the girl, hey, listen, why don't we do emails? Okay, why don't we do emails? Now, one thing is, you cannot be butthurt. You cannot be like, oh, fuck, she's giving me the Instagram. Fuck this bitch. You cannot do that shit, alright? What you need to do is, you need to be smart about it. So, what I do is, hey, why don't we connect on emails? Listen, girl, I actually want to know you, alright? And I'm generally interested in knowing you, to take you out maybe for coffee. And these guys. Hello. Sorry about that. The food was late. Now they're giving me complimentary shit, which I don't want because in life nothing is for free and nothing is easy. And what is easy? It's probably a man. And I don't want a fucking dick on a platter. Anyways, moving on. Sorry about the distraction. Now what to do when a girl says that, hey, please take my Instagram. What I generally do is I tell her, hey, listen, why don't we trade emails? And she's like, what? I'm like, yeah, why don't we trade emails? You know, if you want to go that route, why don't we just be professional and trade emails? I'm just kidding. I'm actually here because I want to get to know you. And, you know, I value my time. I don't want to just be your Instagram follower. If you want the same, let's connect. If you don't, there's no pressure. There's no pressure. Alright? And that's what I say to girls, and girls get instantly attracted because 99% of you guys out there, you are falling for that Instagram bullshit trap. You're like, okay, the girl says, hey, please take my Instagram, and you're like, oh, yeah, I'll take the Instagram. No, don't do that, man. Don't do that. You're falling for that bullshit trap. You're not maintaining a strong frame. Your frame is weak. And that's why girls are giving you the Instagram, you're a follower, 1 month later they unfollow you. You keep on sending them the emojis with the expectation that you might get laid, and you don't get laid. You lose your motivation, you don't want to go out, you become super needy by just watching these girls on Instagram. You start jerking off, you have a fapping problem now, and it's just a downhill spiral. It's just a downhill spiral, so don't go there. Now, I personally have decided that I will never leave you in doubt, okay? And since the past videos, I think it will be clear to everyone. So I want to talk about the good, the bad, the ugly. And I think we've spoken about the bad and the ugly, but what's the good? What is Instagram good for? Now, one thing I've realized in my own sort of pick up in my own dating journey is Instagram is good for keeping women on the loop. Alright, so if you hook up with a girl, if you have too much abundance, you hook up with multiple girls, right? It's good to add them later so that you can keep them on the loop. Now, another thing Instagram is good for is if you want to talk to really high quality women off Instagram, if you have a good Instagram profile, so start working and building your Instagram profile as well, which means start adding stories, start making posts. And if you want to follow me, you can check out, how I'm building my Instagram profile. It's not the best, but you will soon see what the results are, and the results are going to blow your mind. Okay, they're going to blow your mind. And I'll show you my trick. So basically what you do is you add the names of the clubs on the search section, the top clubs in the city. You check out the recent post, you check out all the attractive women, you double tap on that shit, not double tap, sorry, you single tap on that shit, you send them a DM, alright, a very basic DM, which is like, your profile seems interesting, just wanted to say, hey, that's all. So you do that shit and you're gonna get replies, but don't mass text because Instagram is gonna ban you. So what you need to do is you need to text 5 women every day. So set a plan like, okay, I'm going to text about, say, 100 women before I'm reaching that location. So that means 20 days before I reach the location, I'm going to start texting. Of course, a lot of these women are traveling as well. So it also makes sense to just have that 20 days gap. Not more than that, not like 30-40 days, because a lot of women are traveling, a lot of women are going to be busy. So it's always better to check the recent posts instead of the top posts so that you can find the girls who were there recently. And I'll search for top 5 clubs, fitness centers, all these places where they're attractive, high quality women. Then I would probably text them and then I would initiate the conversation from there. But it's a losing strategy if you start taking a girl's Instagram through cold approach and you start setting a date on Instagram, because you got to fight with so much shit, you got to battle for attention literally, and that's a losing game. So don't learn a losing game. Raise your standards. Don't chill with girls who don't want to chill with you. Don't waste your time on chasing women. Instead, be a man who attracts high quality women and stop watching bullshit content. And if you want to learn game, if you really want to learn cold approach this year, if you want to master your dating life, all you need to do is hop on a call with my team. Let's see if we are a right fit to work together, and let's get you started.